So here's how to publish a landing page on Systeme.io. It's very easy to do, and if you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below where you can either try Systeme for free or simply use it for easier login access. So I'm starting from square one here just to make it very easy for you. You want to make sure that you're in funnels right here, and once you do that, simply click on create. For this, I'm just going to call it a landing page, and for an example, I'm just going to say build an audience. Regardless of what you pick here, it's pretty much going to be the same. Let's click on save. Okay, let's click on our landing page. And now that we're here, let's just say we want to pick one of these. Doesn't matter what it is for this example. So I'm just going to go with here and click select. And just like that, it's pretty much going to be published. Now, when you look at the URL path right here, if I click on this and open it up in a new tab, you're going to see that it is completely live. The only thing is that most people aren't just going to have the URL, so it's not going to be a big deal. Obviously, if you wanted to edit it around, you can go to edit page. And from here, this is where you can go on and save stuff. Obviously, if you want to save changes, click here. If you want to change things around when it comes to settings, there's going to be some other things that you can utilize here, but pretty much making it published is just going to be creating it in the first place. So let's just go back again. And that's pretty much it. So once you have the URL to it, it's going to be live and good to go. And I've just showed you right here, this is going to be the page where, but if there are changes that need to be made, make sure you go ahead and obviously edit it around, click on the save button, and then when it is live, obviously, as it already is, those changes will be made live, and so that the new changes will be published, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's the very quick tutorial when it comes to how to publish a landing page on Systeme.io. Just simply create it, and once you have that link, it's going to be published and live and good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.